Mayong adlaw, I will not be answering any questions for today, but I will be relaying a message. So, the day he was flown to The Hague, I sent my papa on his Viber what I posted on social media that day. It said, I will forever walk with pride, knowing that I am your daughter, your blood. The strength you raised me with will go untamed. I will stand by the promise I made you today. I love you. And dare I say, it did go untamed. No? There is nothing and no one on this earth I will not face for my family, for my papa. For me to be able to love this fearlessly at such a young age speaks volumes on how Rodrigo Roa Duterte raised me. Do not be fools and think he will die with his body. His fire burns in the bluest of blue through Congressman Pulong Duterte, Vice President Sara Duterte, Mayor Baste Duterte, and through me, was nobody yet but Justice Kitty. I would also like to say na he's strong as ever, strong still, while his body might become frail, spirit as breakable as always. He I didn't really discuss what happened today, but I asked him lang, what do you feel, what do you think, what do you want them to know? Invictus.